Yes, my people, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Today, I just want to reflect on a little things that have been happening in Jamaica that, most Jamaicans don't even understand because, some people, they have this notion that we stand out and being obnoxious, violent and stuff like that, other people love us, which is nothing of the sort. I want you to watch this video, and when it is through, I'll elaborate on the same.
Come on over here, Mike. Mike, you won last week. How do you feel, man?
I feel wonderful. I'm so happy and excited. Thanks a whole lot. Thank you.
That's cool, man. Now let everybody know where you're from, man.
I'm from Spring Lake, New Jersey.
That you have watched the video and you listen to that, white man performing Shaggy song. You notice the song that he had performed, a Jamaican song, it was nothing about violence or killing people or anything like that, promoting any form of decadence or decadent behavior. So, when Jamaican people are talking about they have leave an impact on the world with the music and culture. This is it. Nothing like what you have seen, the Tattoo Monkey, Vibes Cartel, that all those people, the illiterate, low IQ people back in Jamaica celebrate. Because his music is just for the gutter. Because years to come, nobody is gonna remember him in that regard. But people like Shaggy, Sean Paul, Bob Marley's forever, Lucian and Dennis Brown and all those people that help to change other people's life positively. You understand? This is the true Jamaican culture that you're seeing right there, not the decadence behavior, the devilish thing, and the bleaching of skin and stuff, and and tattoo, and man piercing his tongue and all kind of madness, and men, black men looking like white chimpanzee. We need Jamaica need to go back to its roots, where whatever we're doing, people can enjoy it, and it's last forever. Shaggy song, it wasn't me. This is 2021. I am not going to tell you people when that song was done, and it is still popular today. Whenever you're driving and you're listening to local radio station, you'll hear the play it all the time because it's a song that people love. You understand? It's nothing to do with any killing or decadence behavior. So that goes to show you that the world embraces our culture when there is a certain finish to it. You understand? And that's what we need to do. The media play a major role in Jamaica in the destruction of people's life and their thinking. But that's how it is. So all the best, and thanks for watching the Young Police channel. I'm just sharing, a little thing to show you how the Jamaican culture, how it works. You understand? And the effect it has on people, irrespective of their geographic location. Because the Jamaican culture, it's toxic, in some ways. You understand? In most ways, I should say. But, what we need to get rid of this. We need to get rid of this infam of a dead culture. You understand? We need to start boycott those artists that promote killing of our people and demonizing informer. We need to have a society now where informer are praised for doing their civic duty. Thanks again for watching Jamaica Young Police channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and most of all, comment. I appreciate the people watching it and stuff, but at least share your comments to let me know what you're thinking. You understand? Because I am for a better Jamaica, even for the one in the 1980s. But as my late mother said, in the 1960s, it was much better when the British hand over Jamaica to the Bosse slaves back in Jamaica. Some of them die. Have yourself a nice day. Peace.